Hello, hello. This video could absolutely change your life. Please listen to me. Okay, now that I got your attention, this very childish drawing could be something that could potentially change your life if you put what I want to share with you in this video today to practice. So let me ask you a question. If you had a clogged toilet, what would you do? You would flush it out. So that is a sewage system that, if backed up, would stink, would really wreak havoc in your home. Is that a correct assumption? Right? So we would pay a professional to come and clean that out so we get rid of all of that toxic waste that is being backed up. This is what this drawing represents. The fact that we have a lymphatic system that is responsible for draining the waste out of our body. So if you've ever watched any of my videos, 3 moves, 3 minutes, where I was jumping, I would always refer to the fact that the lymphatic system is activated when you're jumping, and that will help flush the body basically of toxins. So there are 6 points here that we're going to focus on in the body. So remember when you were young, if your mom would check your lymph nodes to see if you were sick, she would go here behind the ears, maybe she would check under your armpits, doctors might check down in here into your groin, and those are just a few of the spots, and we're going to go into a couple other areas here. So on this drawing, I have rub, circles, and tap. That's exactly what we're going to do. So it doesn't matter if you do it in what order. What matters is that you're basically massaging these areas. And for the amount of time, it doesn't matter. Just do it, because the reality is most people are not doing this very simple practice that could make a massive difference in your life. Now, the reason I'm sharing this, it's a little off the beaten path for me. I'm normally talking about testosterone, losing belly fat, and all of that. This is equally as important to that, because you could be ripped and have no belly fat, but if your lymphatic system is not draining the shit out of your body, then you're just going to end up getting sick. So with my recent cancer diagnosis, this has become even more important to me. So I have them numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and that is in the order that I want you to do these things. So around here, I have different words: stimulate drainage, flush toxins, drain the system, reset, feel better, filter, unclog is a big one. Picture like this: if all of these lymph nodes in these areas are clogged and it's not allowing the flow of that lymph liquid, which is basically water, and it's not flowing through and exhale and getting out of your body through pee, poop, and sweat, those are the ways that it'll get out. That is getting backed up into your body, and that is causing dis-ease. So we want to eliminate all of these and unclog this lymphatic system so you can live in a healthier body and increase flow capacity, clean the filters, dump the toxins, recycle the waste. That's basically what you're doing. So set your mind to that. Again, it doesn't matter how you do it. What matters is that you do it. So rub, tap, and circle. That's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to start up here in the collarbone. So the collarbone, both above and below, is important. So I'm going to start off. You can go both sides at once, or you can go one side at a time. So we'll go one side at a time, 30 seconds to a minute. It really doesn't matter, because at first, you might get a little bored or think this is not going to be beneficial until you feel the fact that it is working. So this is really where all of it starts, is up here in the collarbones. This is like the main place to unclog first, to allow other areas to be able to flow freely through the body. So we go above the collarbone here, we go below. I'm just pushing around. So think about massaging. What would feel good to you if you were massaging this area? Tapping, you don't want to go too hard, you don't want to go too soft. You know your body. So we're going to go here. Now, I'm not going to go through the entire body, but through the whole entire time with you, because I just want you to make aware of the fact that you need, or should, or I recommend, and a lot of people do recommend, that you set time aside for this practice, because it's important. So we got the collarbones out of the way, above and below. This is where you start. It is number 1. So number 2 is up here right below your earlobes, right back in here, right where your mom would check. So you can come in here and rub, get in there, rub, tap. Basically, I want you to think about a pipe or a vein or something where there's flow happening, and pretend in your mind right now that there is a clog in there, and all you need to do is tap it to get it to just move through and out your body. Again, it's going to come out of the sweat. A lot of people don't think you get rid of toxins through sweat, but you do. It's going to go through your pee and your poop. So now that we got below the ears right there, we're going to go to number 3 in our chest. So in the chest, you could raise up your arm, squeeze in here. I see a lot of people cup and tap in the armpit like this. Some people think you need to do it like 9 taps for 9 rounds. Honestly, it doesn't matter. If you go on YouTube, you'll see a million different protocols to do this, but everyone agrees that creating stimulation here, whether it's rubbing clockwise, counterclockwise, tapping, right that. So you got area number 3. So number 4 is in your belly. So you go in your belly, putting one hand above the other, and I want you to think about your guts and move your guts around. Like for me, I need to take my fingers because I have very thick abdominal muscles, so I can't push hard enough with my palms. I have to take my fingers in here, and I'm gonna think about pushing into my guts and getting all of that moving around. So imagine what it looks like inside there, and it's okay to move this stuff around. It knows where to go back to, okay? We get in here, you can tap like this. Then another area here where people are very familiar with. So the next area that we're real familiar with here is in the groin. So it's that line that goes down here. So again, the doctor, when you're getting a physical, will check here. So you're rubbing up and down. You could sit down and do this if you wanted to. Rub circles here all the way up and down in your groin. You can like karate chop right here. So be aware of the fact that because you're flushing toxins out of your body, you may feel flu-like symptoms. Right at first, you're gonna feel great because you're giving yourself a massage. But because you're knocking these toxins out of your body and they have to move through your body, there's a good chance that in a day or two or after doing a cycle or 2 of this, you will feel a little bit of sickness, and that's actually a good sign. The final place is behind the knees. So cupping back here, hitting, rubbing, like at the bottom of the hamstring and the top of the calf, rubbing. You can tap with your fingers, you could cup. Now jump up and down, get it going, smack here like. There you go. We just effectively flushed the lymphatic system. So if you have any questions at all, please comment down below. Let me know what video you want next, and I really, really hope that you do this because you seriously could circumvent some serious problems down the road that you don't want to deal with. Trust me.